Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert longitude latitude to sting northing. First understand what they are. Sting means x or longitude and northing means y or latitude, just differ in unit. For clear, I show this in Google Earth. Now, these are the points in long lat form taken from Google Earth into Excel. You can watch my other videos how to take GPS points from Google Earth to Excel. Link in description. Now to convert, open ArcGIS, go to Add Data, choose your Excel file. Right click on File, Display XY Data. Choose Coordinate System, WGS 1984, then OK. Then export data. Choose location and OK. Now go to Arc Toolbox, Data Management Tools, Projections and Transformations. Finally hit Project. Choose your input file, then Output Coordinate System. I choose WGS 1984 UTM Zone 44 North for Nepal. Then finally hit OK. You can remove other files. Go to Open Attribute Table. Add field. Give name Sting. Type double, then OK. Again repeat the same for northing. Now right click on Sting, calculate geometry. Properties will be X coordinate. Choose coordinate system, then OK. It's done for Sting. Now repeat the same for northing. Properties will be in Y coordinate. This is how you convert long lat to Sting northing. If you want to get these points in Excel, go to Export. Export all records. Then hit OK. Then open the saved DVF file. Here you get your points. Hope you understand. Subscribe the channel for more updates.